Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is SkyEye. Got an album, Soldiers of Light, and this song is Constellation, funnily enough, off the album. This is one of those where I'm not entirely sure where this song came from. It's in my bookmarks, and I think Paz sent it to me. That's what I think. Not sure, but here we are. So yeah, SkyEye are from Slovenia, and more accurately from Ljubljana, which is the capital of Slovenia. And I know these things because, one, I looked it up, but two, I've been there. I've been to Ljubljana. I was staying in a place called Kranjska Gora, which is, well, in Slovenia, funnily enough. And it's a beautiful country, absolutely beautiful. I think the Winter Olympics was held at Kranjska Gora. I think. This is not a travel channel. But yeah, so metal from Slovenia. I think this is a first, actually, for the channel. Let's just get straight on with it. Song called Constellation. He says, trying to click the right buttons and realizing he hasn't set it up as usual. Well, it looks like the new wave of British heavy metal has landed in Ljubljana. Um, Maybe I left it there when I was there in the 90s. If you're going to be Iron Maiden, you're going to need a singer like Bruce Dickinson. And there are not a lot of those about. But this guy pretty much nails it. Because musically and structurally, I think the song's pretty simple, but his vocal just takes it to where it needs to be, if you see what I mean. It just makes the song work so well. It's... I'm going to spend too much time now saying the words Iron Maiden too much, because there's no escaping it. It's just, if I had no idea who they were and you just played that to me, you know, I'd say they were from England somewhere, being Iron Maiden. I'll stop saying that now. But SkyEye themselves, yeah, you know, it's a good solid metal band, isn't it? It's a good solid metal song. It's not complicated. It is a fairly simple song, but his vocal's so great that it just lifts the whole thing up. I can't go on and on about this, because it is what it is, you know? If you need a new Maiden album, there you go. Enough said. Let me know what you think. I know this is short, very short for me. I just don't know where to go with this. See you soon. Bye bye.